Oh my gosh, guys! Ah! Malapit na yung release. Sobrang kinakabahan ako. This is my baby. This is my baby. I gave birth to this. Thank you, Aaron. It's true. When album? Guys, konting oras na lang talagang ma-release na yung Filipina Queen. Kinakabahan ako ng sobrang bongga kasi this is my baby. Like, I don't know paano natutunggapin ng mga tao. But I wrote it a long time ago. So I hope na you guys would really like it. Because I really worked hard for this song. And kahit di nyo man magustuhan, I hope the message still transcends to the people. 10 minutes na lang. Oh my god, I really. And you guys will hear the different side of the girls especially. And I can't wait. I'm so nervous. Di ko alam kung anong mas nangingibabaw, yung kaba ko or yung excitement ko. When nyo po nasulat Filipina Queen? I wrote Filipina Queen last year. I wrote it nung pinarinig ko ata sa kanila to. Kailan ko ba ito nasulat? Basta it was last year. Last year ba? 5 minutes na lang! Kinakabahan ako. I'm so nervous. I wrote it last year. Pero I finished it this year. Kumbaga, nagpasa ako ng draft hanggang chorus lang. Wala pa yung full thing. What made you write Filipina Queen? What made me write Filipina Queen? Ano kasi, parang it's so easy to parang invalidate a person's achievements. And I want to champion, especially like women, queer, and all non-conforming, na parang you did not cheat your way to the top. You worked hard for that. Go for it, sister. You don't pull anyone down. Wala kang tinatapakan na tao. You just believe in yourself, believe in your faith, because that's a true Filipina Queen. A true Filipina Queen is someone who's sure of herself. Someone na parang, in a way, palaban. Palaban na I worked my way to the top. I did not cheat my way to the top. Ganun siya. Oh my gosh, 4 minutes, y'all. 4 minutes. Is anyone, are you guys still alive? And actually, this is greatly inspired. I was greatly inspired by Miss Marina Summers kasi she went out, parang yung representation niya na parang she went out of the norm, which is a true Filipina queen, is like representing the Philippines, pushing boundaries, not settling for what the norm is and championing that. Dun ako na-inspired to write Filipina Queen. Three minutes! EP, please. Don't you guys worry. You will be we're on the right track. What's most challenging in writing Filipina Queen? I think hindi lang sa Filipina Queen. I think in general, na in a way, I'm a type of person na nagsa-self-sabotage ako na I don't really believe in myself. Parang ang dami kong self-doubt. And I think doon ako nag-struggle talaga. Sa self-doubt na maganda ba talaga yung kantang to? Parang, okay lang ba to? Am I too experimental? Did I push it too much? Parang ganong bagay. Kasi the song there are elements na not really heard from G22 yet. And I'm kind of scared in a way na what if malilito na naman yung mga tao sa kung ano yung sound namin, which is in a way naman we're very experimental, we're very open, pero sticking to our message. Ganon. 1 minute! Okay, nasaan ako? G22. Kabado malala. Bye-bye. I'm playing it right. I'm playing it the moment it drops. I'm playing it. I'm so nervous, bro. I'm so nervous, bro. I need to call my friend after this. I'm so nervous. I need wine, bro. I need wine. Oh my gosh, it's 12. It's 12. How do I do this? How? I'll stream it na. How? I'll look for it. Oh frick, I don't know. Oh shit. Oh sh. Damn. Is it released na ba? It's released! Confidence with my gun. Woman up here, we got nothing to fear. No matter what the career, we're gonna slay my dear. I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipina. I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipina. I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipina. F-I-L-I-P-N-A. Filipino, Filipina. I'm a Filipina. Filipina, reina, di nagpapakita. I'm so nervous. Kaliwat ka nang maririnig, mga di naniniwala sa may tinig. Kita-kita sa inyo mga titig. Duda, lalam ako daa. Di kailangan mahila pababa para magpatuloy sa iba Lagi lang isipin na iba ka pagkat di ko ay Pilipina. I don't pull anyone down to get a taste of the crown. Even when I am drowned, I'll hold on to my sound. Do not write about hate, I only trust my fate. I'm living to create, empowering is innate. I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipina. Dance break.
Bang, bang. Filipina, I'm a Filipina. Filipina, I'm a Filipina.
Ah!
Filipina, I'm a Filipina.
Ayan.
Filipina, I'm a Filipina.
Oh my gosh! Ay, biglang musika. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sana nagustuhan niyo po. Should be in my playlist. Oh. May DC po ba? Soon yan, soon. Sobrang thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Stream na natin. Hindi ko lips yun. Hindi namin lips yan. Pero mukhang lips ko. Pero hindi namin lips yan. My live. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Sana, this is my baby. I've been working really hard for this song and sana magustuhan nyo. Thank you so much. Love you all. Madami pang pasabog ang team namin, so abangan nyo yan. Hindi pa dito nagtatapos. We've been working really hard, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ingat na.